So how do you set the sleep timer on iPhone? Let's explain that. If this is your first time on this channel, well, most definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So there might be more things which you mean. I'm going to cover all of them, but the first is by going to the clock application and check out the timer section. So in the timer, you can set up like any amount of hours, minutes, and seconds and set your timer. But the important thing is what happens after the time is up, because usually it's just gonna, like ring a certain sound or, like different types of ringtone is going to go off, but you also have the ability to select the option which is called stop playing. And that's very useful because you can now use the timer to time your music listening, or if you play a video, you can set it like an hour timer in here and decide that after the hour, the music, video, whatever you are listening to is going to stop playing. So that's technically a sleep timer, but for your content. So that might be something you wanted to set up. On the other hand, there are like different sleep timers. You can also mean the focus mode and the bedtime feature, which can be found in the settings, focus, and sleep if you have that available. And you can find the schedule right there. So you can see that you can like manually select the time in here and also choose the alarm, and you can edit your sleep schedule in the health entirely and all of that thing, right? So it's actually like very useful if you ask me, because you get to manage your sleep section and like the wind down period and the sleeping reminders, checking out the sleeping details and all of the different things, right, which are associated with the sleep tracking. So let me know if that is the thing that you had in mind. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.